No, it's a video.
Take a picture. Take a video card now.
It's action. It's action, stupid. The video, retard.
Excuse me. Hey. Come on, I have to let Jen read.
On your video.
Tell me. Here's the first page.
Oh, she can read that, but I can't. Only a video.
Stop doing that. You look up all the time to everybody.
Only a video. Recorded.
In the school, I can put my shoes on.
Okay, I won't get you.
What that was. You on video, dummy, not picture.
Leah, your breath is hot.
You're funny. Let's see.
I want to read this crap.
I have to show Jen.